I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing sticky notes that match your design and the surface. Color, size, and adhesive strength matter. Clean the wall or board with rubbing alcohol so notes stick reliably, and once dry, mark a loose grid with pencil or tape. Use 1/2 spacing for neat rows. Now place the first row at eye level to set the alignment, pressing each corner down to reduce curling. This first pass establishes rhythm, so take a moment to correct any crooked notes before continuing. Once you have the baseline row, continue building the pattern row by row, using a level or straight edge to keep lines clean. Alternate colors or rotate notes to introduce texture and depth, and consider staggering placements like brickwork to hide seams. When you want a tiled look, overlap edges by about 0.25, pressing firmly so layers adhere. Make small adjustments as you go. If a note sits off, peel gently and realign. Slow, deliberate placement saves time on corrections later. To finish, trim stray edges for a crisp border and add accents like washi tape or small markers to highlight shapes. Push pins give permanence on soft boards. Step back and photograph your layout to spot uneven areas, then fix them by repressing or replacing problem notes. If notes peel due to humidity or texture, make sure the surface is clean, switch to higher adhesion notes, or use thin double-sided tape behind edges. This simple fix prevents lifting without changing the look of your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.